Don't miss your stop. Finding home on the rails ever feel like you're racing against the clock just to get home? What if home is more than just a place? The last train rush Raj sprints through the station, ticket clutched tight. The last train is his only escape from a cold night on the platform. Can you feel the pressure? He boards, finding a sea of weary faces. Laborers, students, families, all seeking refuge. He finds a spot next to an old man with a twinkle in his eye. A journey of connection, the old man shares a simple truth. Home is a feeling. Raj looks around, seeing strangers helping each other. A shared journey, a shared humanity. A student assists an elderly woman. A child offers snacks to a stranger. Connections bloom amidst the rhythmic clatter of the train. Home is where the heart is. Raj realizes something profound. Home isn't just a destination. It's the people we encounter along the way. It's the shared moments, the small acts of kindness. The train chugs on, carrying more than just passengers. It carries hope, connection, and the true meaning of home. Ready to find your home in unexpected places? Follow us for more heartwarming stories and life lessons. Share this video and tag someone who makes you feel at home, no matter where you are.